Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a quick poll in Microsoft Teams. If you're ready to learn, just follow these simple steps. Once you open Microsoft Teams, look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find sections like Activity, Community, Chat, and Calendar. Start by clicking on Community. In this section, you'll see all your communities, group chats, and channels. If you want to create a new community, click on the plus icon at the top. Choose a category, add a name, upload an avatar, and fill in the description and community guidelines. Once everything is set, click Create to finalize. To create a poll, go to the channel where you want it. Open the conversation by clicking View Conversation. You'll see a variety of options. Click on the Forms icon or attach files if using Microsoft Forms for the poll. Fill out your poll details and hit Send. Your poll is now live and ready for responses. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.